8 ways you can fix iPhone repeatedly asking for Apple ID password. Restart iPhone. If the Apple ID credentials are correct, restart your iPhone. The reboot will eliminate minor software bugs on your device and give it a fresh start. Sign out from iCloud and sign back in. Open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID name. Scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap on Turn Off. Then, in the top right corner, tap on Sign Out. Restart your device. When your iPhone boots, open the Settings app again. At the very top, tap on Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID credentials. Reset your Apple ID password. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name. Then go to Passwords and Security. At the top, tap on Change Password. If you have a passcode set on your iPhone, enter it when asked. Then next to New, type in the new password, and next to Verify, type the new password again. When done, in the top right corner, tap on Change, restart your iPhone. Disable Facetime and iMessage. Go to the Settings app. Tap on Messages. Next to iMessage, toggle the slider to disable the feature. Then go back to Settings. Tap on FaceTime. Next to FaceTime, toggle the slider to disable the feature. Restart your device. When your iPhone boots, go back to iMessage and FaceTime settings and turn them on. Update your apps. Locate the App Store app on your home screen, tap, and hold it until a menu pops up. Then tap on Updates. You'll be redirected to your account window. Under Available Updates, check if apps are waiting to be updated. You can either tap on Update next to every app individually or tap on Update All to save some time. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and tap on Reset All Settings again to confirm the action. Update iPhone operating system. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap on Software Update. Wait while your iPhone searches for an available update. When the update is found, tap on Download and Install. Reset to factory settings. This step will delete all data on your device as well as reset all settings. Before doing a full reset, back up your iPhone so you won't lose any important data. Now open Settings and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.